You know what inspired me to paint these scenes? The rural landscape of the barns. I always really liked the play of light, light and shadow, just to create some individual trees up there. There's a lot of color that goes on in the shadow area in this roof that can enhance this focal area right here. So we're going to play that color up later on. Really intrigues me a lot of times is just to play a light on things. You can see how it creates that broken color. So a little bit of the background showing through makes a nice texture.